In this video, we'll explore how Prayaga, a leader in business analytics solutions, implemented an innovative solution to automate the collection of social media metrics, centralize data, and create analytical reports for the UX and digital marketing department of a renowned educational institution. The project began with the development of a web application designed to integrate and process data from various sources, including the Facebook and Instagram APIs, as well as metrics stored in Excel. 4 key modules were implemented to meet the institution's objectives and culminated successfully in the creation of a repository, providing a robust platform for data exploitation. In response to the need for clear and rapid visualization, several dashboards were developed in Power BI. These not only facilitate real-time monitoring of metric performance, but also support strategic decision-making with more predictive analysis. At Prayaga, we are proud to collaborate with a renowned educational institution to transform social media data analysis. We remain committed to offering innovative solutions that drive our clients' success. Empower your data with Prayaga.